Hi, folks. Welcome to our studio. Here is the description, or sorry, I'm going to post this into the description here. This is how you do it. Install the software. Very easy. There's two pieces. One, two. Download and install R. There are a few clicks here. I'm in a Windows machine. You might be using a Mac. Very few Linux people probably. Install R for the first time. In the top left, the latest and greatest version. It updates all the time. So I'm going to just cancel what you do there. Once you get it going, you open it. It's an executable file. Yes, I trust this thing. Yes, you can make changes to my computer. English, here's the thing, a bunch of stuff I should read. Yada, 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 accept the defaults, put it in its right place, and there you have it. So R is very basic, and therefore that's why it is very quick. RStudio is going to take a little longer to do this loading up piece. But that's it for R. But this has to run in the background, or RStudio needs to have access to this, and then finish. Okay, that was a leftover dialog box from before. So if I were to go back, so if I have to close this window, it opened up for me. And now I do the same thing with RStudio. And it opens up RStudio. See, so I run the executable file. Yes, make some changes. And I typically just accept all these defaults. And that's it. And so once that finishes, it's going to take a while to extract, but once it's finished, you can decide to put it on your start menu or your dock, depending on who you are, and we can just run it. And of course, even though I downloaded it for the first time, since I'm half, I can't. It's not going to let me cut corners here. I do have to wait for it to finish. I thought since it was an update, maybe it would let me. But alas, here we are. So I was going to see how fast could I make this video. 2 minutes and 36 seconds right now. It's going to be very close to trying to get under the 3-minute window. But here we are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Okay, so finish. And now it should be ready to play, although I may have gummed up the works by trying to jump ahead of myself. And at this point, we have RStudio here. So we'll get to that. We'll get to introduction to RStudio shortly. Okay, just almost hit the 3-minute window, but it can be done.